Only had a couple hours of sleep last night. Dragging. I feel like I'm running out of things to talk about, and I haven't really talked about much. This is only my 5th video. With school and my internship, they're all a big part of my life right now. Hopefully by the end of this weekend I'll have my leather workshop set up at the house, moved over from my mom's house. Hopefully then I will be able to showcase some leatherworking stuff for you guys. But yeah, I mean, it's 8:45 and I'm running a little late to class, which starts in about 15 minutes. And then I have to go to my other class, and then I have to go to the Apple store because my laptop is acting like a real asshole. I cleaned it out. I spent a good chunk of my day yesterday, actually, after doing homework, cleaning out, throwing away a lot of old documents and a lot of photos and stuff that just don't need to be on my laptop anymore. So that happened, but it's still pretty slow, and my USB drives still don't work, so I still can't take stuff and put it on to my external hard drive to open up some space. So I gotta go take it in, see if they can do whatever the hell they do over there with those geniuses, and hopefully it'll be better and faster and allow me to edit these videos faster as well. So we'll see. Oh, it's starting to snow. Well, I'm home after my classes. I don't feel too great. I feel nauseous. My stomach's been kind of unsettled ever since yesterday. So I'm gonna take it easy. Hopefully I feel better. And later on I have to go to the Apple store to get my MacBook looked at because it's acting like a real jerk. So hopefully I feel better then. I think I talked about that already though. So yeah, we'll see. So I'm walking into the mall right now. I've got my backpack on me, and I saw this pretty cool thing here, and I'm stoked on this. So look at this. You see that? It's pretty fucking cool. I was actually about to take the spot until I saw that, and I was like, okay, Simon Malls, I see you. Respect. So I just left Apple store, and not horrible news, but also not great news. So there's really nothing wrong with my laptop. The only thing wrong with it is that it's getting old. I've spent years being a photographer, writing music, being a student, And I basically am just I put the hard drive through a lot of stuff. So the hard drive's kind of on its way out. I mean, it's pushing 5 years old. So they recommended that I get a solid state hard drive, which I guess is, almost $200. But another problem is that my USB drives don't really work anymore either. So I have to use the Thunderbolt little port in my stuff, in my laptop. And so I have to get a new hard drive that is a new external hard drive that is oh boy. So I have to get a new external hard drive that is Thunderbolt compatible. And they don't really make them smaller than, like 1 or 2 terabytes. And because they're Thunderbolt compatible, they're more expensive. So, external hard drive, it's gonna cost me almost $200. So now we're pushing about $500 in hard drives for me to have my laptop working. So basically it's $500, get my laptop working again, versus spending a couple grand on getting a new laptop, or like a new MacBook Pro or something like that, which I don't want to do, but I also don't want to spend $500. Not good. Nope. It's 1:45 in the morning. Just got home from hanging out with the rugby boys, and it was pretty rad. I haven't really gone out in over a year and had fun with friends and stuff in over a year. So it was nice to just kind of get out of my head and just chill, That's pretty much it for today. So, as always, have a great day. Be good. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Save me.